Good morning everybody and welcome to our East Hills property. We're going to show you a granny flat coming to life from frame stage through to completion stage. What we're building here is a 2-bedroom granny flat. Now you'll notice as we walk through, it's quite high off the ground. It's a flood zone. So we have to comply by the SES rules, which means we're a little bit high off the ground in the case of a flood. In a flood zone, you need to allow the water to go underneath the granny flat in case of a flood. We deal with all of that for you. All council, all the SES, all plans, just leave that with us and we'll deal with it for you. Let's go for a walkthrough. Now, what we're seeing here is we're walking to the kitchen area, which the kitchen will run across this wall and across this wall. This will have a window, as any good kitchen does. You're going to have a sliding door right here that goes into what we've created for the backyard for the potential tenants or whoever's going to live in here. While we're out here, we have our 3,000 litre rainwater tank connected to the pump, which is connected to the bathroom. The toilet, it is a basics requirement. Again, we deal with all of that for you. Let's go back inside. From the dining room, we flow into the living room. Now, it's quite a big space if you can see it. Kitchen is all the way over here, kitchen and dining. We move into the living area. Long, high windows from top to bottom. And then what they're planning is to have the TV up on this wall and then the couch on this wall. Quite a comfortable living space for a granny flat. Come through over here. This is going to be our future laundry. So what we're going to have here is opening doors, and you will have the washing machine and the laundry tub. And what I quite like about what the client's done here is they've chosen to go with a bit of extra storage space just in here for your linen, towels, whatever it be that you may need to store in this granny flat. Now let's go into my favourite part of the granny flat, the master bedroom. The master bedroom has its own air conditioner. Remember I said there's some really nice touches in this granny flat? Well, it's got its own air conditioner in the master bedroom and a fan, so you can take your pick. Quite a large place, quite a large space. You can comfortably fit queen beds and bedside table in here, and a large built-in robe. And you'll see it's wall-to-wall wardrobe space. This comes with glass sliding mirrors, and fully fitted out with drawers, adjustable shelves, double hanging and single hanging rails as well. Into the second bedroom, which also is quite large. We can still fit a queen bed in here. Also has a fan as well. But with those two air conditioners in this place, you're going to cool it quite well. Once again, the robes. Ready to go, ready to be used. This is how you get your granny flat from us, ready to go. Now, as we come through into the bathroom, this is quite a large shower, as you can see. I mean, it's 1.2 meters long by 1 meter wide. The mixer is on this side, so you don't have to walk in all the way to try and get your water right, and this opens up all the way through. Then you will see the toilet, it's going to sit here, and the vanity will sit here hung on the wall. The clients have done a great job on this. They've just rented it out. It was on the market for not even a month. They've just rented it out for close to $600 a week. $600 a week. You're not going to get that return on investment anywhere else. That's it for the East Hills property. I'm Mark Mumjan from Paramount Planning Construction. We would love to talk to you about any granny flat, home, studio, duplex or renovation that you may have coming up.